First bag is a banger. Well, look at this. I don't know if this is real or not, but if it is, I think this is like close to 100 bucks. I paid $10 and like 20 cents for it. Welcome back to the Dollar to Datsun challenge, and I am so unprepared for this video because this unit came up last minute that I don't even have my camera gear, so I have my phone. This is gonna be a very short video, but stay tuned because I think this is gonna be good. Here is the unit in question. It is a 5x10, and we paid just $10 for this unit. Like I said, everything was getting sold out. This came up out of nowhere, and it's about 45 minutes from my house, and I paid $10 and like 20 cents for it. So we are gonna go through all this, and because I just have my phone, I'm just gonna show you some of the better. Oh, what is that? Is that Funko Pops? Yo, Funko Pop. Oh, there's a bunch in here. Oh, this is gonna be good. Okay, I'm gonna film this one a little bit differently. Like I said, I don't have my GoPro, so I'm just gonna bring out and show you guys some of the cool objects that we find. So let's just jump into it. Okay, first bag is a banger. Oh, look at this. That is an Xbox. That is an Xbox. What is this? Crystal HD amplifier antenna. Brand new in the box. Look at that. We got the controller. That's in decent shape, actually. And we have the power supply. So we just got an Xbox for 10 bucks. That is a score. All right, I got this here. Hear that? Sounds like something's wrapped up in here. We got blankets. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's just some glasses and gloves. We need those right now. All right, nothing else, just this glass. We're gonna put these gloves on. All right, here's what we got next. We got Super Sons on Blu-ray. Let's just pour this out. Whoa. All right, so we got like a lot of extensions, cable extensions. We got a power cord here and whatever this is. I don't know if this is Eero. I'm not sure what that is. Could be maybe Wi-Fi or something. This bag here is all like medical supplies. I'm pretty sure it's for like glucose monitoring system and all of the patches and pads and all that stuff. This here retails for over $100. I'm not sure if I'm able to sell it because it is like a medical product, but I might be able to on Whatnot. So I'm gonna look into the rules on that. All right, let's see this one. This one's exciting. It's got a bunch of stuff in it that looks like some collectibles. Now I know Funko Pops are not like the most collectible thing ever, but they certainly are good when you're looking to flip stuff for quick. So Judge Smales, I don't know who that is. Trap Jaw. These are in good shape at least. We got Christopher Kid Red. I'm uncultured. I have no idea who any of this is. We got a mug here. Is this for the Avengers or something? What is that symbol? I'm not sure what that's for. This would be cool if it was like Beats or something. But I've been doing good on sound bars. I got 2 of them recently, and they both sold on eBay. Got more medical supplies here. COVID home tests and a sock. But is this one of the? Is this another monitor? Man, if these are sellable, that's a good chunk of change there. What is this? What is this? Aperture, okay. I just read that completely wrong. Aspire Aperture, come on now. But another Bluetooth system, not bad. Film collection here. Got a book, and what is this? All right, we got a cup. I think this is for like T-Mobile or something. And then some more medical supplies. I don't know if this is real or not, but if it is, I think this is like close to 100 bucks. Supreme t-shirt. We got the Polo runners, joggers. We got the Polo. We also got this. This is they call this the Offbeat Bear. And I think there's something else in here. I don't know if these are matching joggers, but we definitely got some stuff here to look at. We also have, I don't really know, WTO2, I don't know what that is. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure what Sergio Tacchini is, to put it on screen. And also the Puma, the nice Puma. So there's some nice clothes here. We'll definitely make a couple dollars on clothes. And all that's left is this dresser, this wall art, and whatever's in here. I'll let you guys know if I find anything cool while I go through this. Anything in here? Yeah, there's something in here. Let's see. Oh, also I found this Whitney Houston Funko Pop. Oh, the bag. Oh, that is a phone in a bag in a can. All right, not sketchy at all. T-Mobile Tuesdays. You can just stuff this back in here. Okay, I found some more stuff. This is a DeWalt drill that looks really nice. We got some other tools in here. Stanley. We got some basic stuff, some little tools, little tape measure. No kidding. It's got the battery and everything. That's great. And then look at this. My favorite thing to find, not glasses, although some of these I guess are kind of cool. But look at this. Is it an Invicta? No, it's not. What is this thing? This is a Techno Pave. Never seen it before. But we got some sunglasses here. I don't know. These probably aren't worth anything, but you know, maybe a couple dollars. We got some plastic utensils here, a steak knife, and a box cutter, and a quarter. Also, the DeWalt bag itself is a plus. I'm stoked about that. Dang, Xbox and DeWalt tools. Love it. Shouldn't that be spinning though? Gonna look into that. Maybe it's busted. Shouldn't that go? I don't know. Maybe it's busted. And that is a wrap. We got a full truck full of stuff. We got some donatable stuff. We've got some junk stuff, some trash stuff. And the whole inside of the truck is filled with the goodies. We got some really good clothes, a big pile of clothes, some tools. And then of course, we got the Funkos, we got the sunglasses, and we have the Xbox. I believe it's an Xbox One, maybe it's just an Xbox, I don't know. I don't know my Xboxes. And we also have all that medical supply over there. So I'm gonna look into that. Hopefully that's worth a little bit of money. Either way, I'm incredibly stoked to be able to find a $10 unit, which is extremely rare to do. So I had to at least film this. Sorry, it was just on my phone. Hopefully it was good for you guys. It was good for me. And here is the update on the Dollar to Datsun challenge. We're taking $1, reinvesting till we get to our dream car, the Datsun, and that's a really cool number. So we will see you guys on the next video.